Not every asset type is the same, so why would you inspect them with the same method? With advanced inspections, you can choose the appropriate condition category type. In Asset Condition Manager, establish a 5-star, index, number, quantity, or option when creating the condition category, along with setting up the desired index mappings. Not only can you set up condition category types, you can also add in additional condition details for each condition category. Let's take a look in the software at different examples of inspections to illustrate some of these different condition category types. The first example inspection that we'll take a look at is equipment. So I'll open up an inspection for the C100 equipment, and I will start the inspection. The first thing I'll do is I'll set the inspected by to myself. As you can see, we have several different condition categories. The equipment condition is the standard 5-star that we've had previously. Now, if you look at some of the other condition categories, we have a left front tire tread depth. We have a right front tire tread depth. Same thing with the rear, left and right. As you can see, those are measured in 30/2 of an inch. It's requiring me to put in a number, so I'm going to put in the number of 30/2 for each of these tread depths. And as you can see, it will automatically set the index value of 55, 55, 65, and 45. If I want to put in additional notes, I can do that as well. Like maybe I want to put in something about the wear pattern of a tire. Another item is the brakes. So I have the similar thing set up for left front, rear left, and rear right as well. This one is measured with a quantity of millimeters. In here I'll put in the quantity for my brake pad thickness. And again, it will calculate my index value. Another option that I can specify for a condition category is the option type. I've got those examples set up for both battery and fluid levels. For battery, I can choose what type of voltage I've got. For fluid levels, I can choose my different fluid level, and I have some condition details as well, so I can specify what my levels for each individual fluid level are. Brake fluid, power steering, transmission, wiper fluid, and I can specify additional notes as well. Once I've got all of my condition categories filled out, I can complete the inspection. Now let's take a look at some different assets. I'll start with a flood wall. In here I'll select tasks and I'll go into my inspection. So I'll start the inspection. As you can see, there's a couple of condition categories that are stars. We also have a condition category for unwanted vegetation growth. So I can select that that is acceptable and put in any notes that I might need. I can also specify encroachments, closure structures, and concrete surfaces. Those are all set as an option as well. Now we'll go into storm pipes. Storm pipes have a couple other options that are set up as well. So I will go into this inspection. And as you can see, we've got a couple different condition categories. The first one is a quantity for blockage. I've got a percent blockage. So I'm going to say it's 15% blocked. It's looking for a number of defects. So I'm going to say that there's 5 defects within this pipe system. An option for my system rating. So I'm going to say that there is minor to moderate damage. And then I can specify some additional conditions for the system rating. got an index value that I can specify, and other star rating systems. There's also defects that I can add when I'm inspecting this pipe. So I'll click on Add Defects, and I specify what type of defect I have, where the defect starts and stops, and any details that I might have. Now I can go ahead and complete this inspection. And the last one will be a storm pump. In here I'll select Tasks and Inspect. And again I will start the inspection. And again here you can see that we have our standard 5-star. We have quantities for both temperature and pressure. We have an index value for vibration. And we have an output, which is an option value as well. So as you can see, there are several different condition category types that you can choose from to use with any different asset type you might have. Not every asset should be inspected the same way. With advanced inspections, choose the condition category that makes sense for each asset. It could be 5-star, index, number, quantity, or option. Along with that, you can also record additional data for each condition. With advanced inspections, it provides ultimate flexibility so that you can do the inspections the way you need to, in the office or in the field with our mobile-friendly version.